Hey guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on voice access on your Android or Samsung phone. Basically, turn on this feature will allow you to control your phone with your voice. How cool is that? Let me show you how to do it. Go to your settings and you want to find accessibility in the list, tap on that. Then click on the interactions and dexterity, and once you tap on that you should find voice access. You can tap on that and you can simply turn this on and click on allow. And basically, once you do so, just go ahead and accept those terms and continue. Click on allow, and you just need to turn it on in order to activate the voice access. So as you can see, I turned mine on there, and I can simply speak to my phone, go through all the steps that is required. For you, as you can see here, you just need to go through everything that it requires, and you'll be able to control your phone using the voice access. Now as you can see, I am finished, and I can easily speak to my phone by saying something like this: go home. And you see that my phone actually go home. And as you can see at the top there as well, that it actually have the caption. Whatever I say, it will actually do it. I'm gonna test it once more. Go to settings, open settings, and there you have it. And it actually goes back into settings, so I can say whatever I want, and it will basically do it once I have this feature enabled. I really hope you found this valuable, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.